Hi friends, this video shows how to remove a movie or show from the watch list. Go to home screen. From top, select library. Here you can see the watch list. See, I am going to delete one movie or show from the watch list. Let me delete this one. Select, then press and hold OK button or select button on the remote. Press and hold, then select watch listed. So we have to unselect this option. Done. Then go back. See, deleted. So if you want to add new movie or show into this watch list, you can go to home screen, then select a movie or show. So let me select one movie or show, then press and hold OK button on the remote, then select add to watch list. Select this. Done. Then go to home screen, go to library. See, now you can see that movie into this watch list. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.